Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on Realme 7 Pro. To change the lock screen wallpaper, go to Settings, then go to Home Screen and Wallpaper, then go to Set Wallpaper, and now you can choose static wallpapers or live wallpapers, or if you want to set your photo as a wallpaper, go to Photos. Then Agree, Allow, and now you can choose an album and choose a photo. Now you can adjust the position by pinching in and moving it. Then click on Set As, and you can set it as lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna set it as lock screen, and now you can see that home screen is unchanged, but when I lock my phone, you can see that the lock screen has been changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.